I'm Maria Galanopoulos.
I am from Canada. The traditional definition of a teacher is the person that teaches you. Here we like to say we don't teach, we don't push information on learners. My role is more of a guide. How to create a better learner, how to make them a lifelong learner, and how to be resourceful for themselves and find answers that they need themselves. I did my first couple years teaching in a traditional school. I discovered that I wanted to find a more innovative approach to teaching, so I found Learnlife, and that's why I'm here. There's definitely a learning curve. Naturally, they've been used to a certain system, and so of course when they come here, they very much take on the role of a student. And it does take some time to unschool them, as we say, to kind of make them understand that they are actually taking on the responsibility of their learning themselves. You need to know how to read and write to navigate society, but it's also the very language of our culture. It's a better way to understand the society and the culture and the communities that you're a part of, and to be able to communicate with them. It's not literacy for literacy's sake, like I know how to read Shakespeare, I'm literate. It's I'm able to communicate effectively using words, through writing, and reading and understanding others' words and thoughts, and as a result be able to better participate in society, in the culture I'm involved in, and be able to better understand diversity and the other people around me. Think of your own experience. How many things did you learn that actually stayed with you from all those years of studying? The most impactful learning was the learning that you had to learn for a reason. It's a matter of being able to understand that it's about you, and it's not about just doing it because somebody else tells you to. There's so much more that I think is valuable for just to navigate a successful adult life in society. And in order to do that, you need to be able to find your own why, and you need to be able to self-identify and be self-aware enough to know what drives you. What is my purpose in life is clearly what I do, and I know I'm making a difference, not only for the learners I'm involved in, but for future generations and just other teachers. As you know, the more I talk about what I do, the more we expand what we're doing here, and the fact that I believe in this project is very much why I'm part of it, because I know there will be an international effect.